Rachel, do I look good? I'm starting a diet tomorrow. I look like I'm losing weight, but I'm pretty hungry. Feed me.
Are your eyes open?
No, because I'm a bat, I can only see at nighttime. So it's science.
All right, we'll eat some of this.
Ah! Yes.
Did you get any?
That's real.
How about that one? You want to go to the next one? We'll go.
That's really good.
We'll go to the next one. Okay, hang on. Keep your mouth open real good. Here.
Oh yeah. I'm good.
You want the next one?
That's delicious, Rachel.
How's your diet?
That's home cooking.
Hang on.
Hook me up.
Okay, hold on.
That's really delicious, Rachel.
Oh.
Anything else for dinner?
Last one. Hang on. Just gotta get.
Good boy up.
Just gotta get the last one. Hang on. Hang on.
I'm ready. Yo, oh me.